sa inyo pong pagtansya ngayon, kasama po si former Senior Supreme Court Senior Justice Antonio Carpio, ano po ang inyong damdamin dito? Ito na ba ang pagkakataon talaga na ang Supreme Court ay magbabago ng paninindigan? Meron bang kasaysayan ng Supreme Court na nagbago sila ng kanilang desisyon sa ganito napaka-importanteng isyong pambayan?
Well, alam niyo, we're always hoping that the Supreme Court will act with independence as the conscience of the nation. Yan ang ating, we pray for that. And I think Chief Justice Quismondo is a good man, no? But have you read the study of published by Cambridge University about the voting record of justices, 86 justices, in 70 mega cases in the Supreme Court from 1987 to 2020 or 2021? Anong findings nila? Ang findings nila is that the average decision of justices was in favor of the government or appointing power, 69%. Pero yung mga appointees of President Duterte, and there are, I think, 13 justices out of the 15 justices today. But over the years, from 1987 to 2021, yung mga appointees ni Duterte from 2016, ang kanilang record of voting is 94% in favor of the appointing power. So that is a source of for us, no, yung how will the Supreme Court decide this. For example, we filed already a petition in November 2023 that the 125 million given by the President from his contingency funds and given to Vice President Duterte was unconstitutional. And it's still pending in the Supreme Court. I think there are two others who also filed. Kaya we're praying that the Supreme Court abides by its role in this check and balance system, na that they perform the role that's expected of them, di ba? And in this case, because this is far-reaching consequences sa ating bayan, yung wala tayong anti-dynasty law, na we are already on a slippery slope to authoritarianism, and we have to stop this.
Opo,
We have to stop.
So, Chairman, ang inyo pong sinasabi doon sa study po ng Cambridge na ito, Cambridge, ay yung mga desisyon pabor doon sa appointing authority, nangangahulugan po ng ngayon dahil iba na ang nasa Malacanang, mag-iiba na po ng perhaps mga desisyon ng ating mga maestrado. Ganun ho ba yun? Can you please clarify lang po?
Well, I don't know. I'm just telling you that that's the record voting of 86 justices since 1987 to 2021, no, or 2020. And there's another study also published Cambridge University that in our part of the world, there are two countries that are drifting or leaning towards authoritarianism: Indonesia and the Philippines. And do you know that the Philippines is number 4 in the world on cronyism? We are number 4 in the world. So we have to watch out for this. Kasi in our system, the source of legitimacy of elected officials is the people. Now, the source of legitimacy of appointed officials like the Supreme Court is independence. So we expect sana that the Supreme Court will abide by this and the role as the conscience of the country.